Amen. Thank you very much. Over to you, leader.
Amandla. Hi, commanders. Dala siyixoxa le. Manje abancane angizwani nawo. Amandla. Amandla. Commander, lapha emuva amandla ayephi? Sifuna ukuwezwa lamandla. Amandla. Amandla. Commanders, igama remember Junior Shilubane, mostly known as the Commander Flaka. Ngenhlanhla basangibambisile lapha eprovince as unobhala wabantu abasha. Ngithanda ukubonga to the leadership of this ward and each and every member of this sub-region who have been supporting this program. I've noted that this program will be speaking mostly about Abantabash. Hence, there are also teams of football, Sabantabash. Two programs that speak to them to make sure that you facilitate issues of employment. We are happy that I invited people here who deals with issues like that. That training Abakhulumangai will assist young people. So for the leadership of this ward and each and every member who participated in making this program a success, as young people in this province of Gauteng, we'd like to say thank you. Ngokuzalwa nami ngizalelwa khona kule sub-region kusekhaya. So it gives me a pleasure to be standing in front of you ukuthi sixoxisane and siphinde sibonisane ngoba ningi esikufunda kini ningi engizokufunda kithi. Leaders, kuba buhlungu when you see leaders in this particular sub-region not respecting abantu ababekiwe ukuthi babahole. Nithi as young people sifundeni from that act, because in each and everything that you do you need to think of labantwana abaseza emuva abathi bazoyifunda lento yepolitiki esikuyo. Because people like Uflaka, they are still new, they are still fresh in this thing and they are ready to learn and run with it. But I feel like in Kenya Fundisa is politically wrong by not doing what is supposed to be done by people whom we think we look up to. We are here as young people to learn kusasa, because already at the stage where I feel like young people can take over at any time in leading this thing. But indlela enisinikeza yona ukuthi sitake over ayikho yinhle futhi, because whatever it is lesiqhubeka nayo, it will be a generational curse to all the young people. Ngoba nathi siyasofundisa labeza after thina lo mkhubo omubi of not following into the due protocol of the organization. One thing engafuna ukuyisho, I think akumelanga ngisuke la ngayishongo lento. In this organization, when we joined, we did not join any individuals. We joined an organization. Therefore, to me, I'm saying that umuntu ofuna ukuhamba asimiyeke nahambe. This is an organization. We cannot be held at ransom by individuals who think ukuthi this is them. We did not join any individuals, and I believe when they took a membership of Umkhonto weSizwe, they were not forced by anyone. So therefore, why is it now that we want to divide this organization because Uflaka Utiena is no longer interested to be a member of Umkhonto weSizwe? We cannot have that as Umkhonto weSizwe, and especially because yenzo abantu abadala, it then gives a bad idea kithi sasebancane. Ukuthi kusho ukuthi makungala umuntu thizeni entweni esibhilivela kuyo thina, we supposed ukuthi nathi singale silandele leyo muntu. We are not people of people here, we are the people of this organization. I want to tell you today that even if the President Jacob Zuma himself can say which is resigning from Umkhonto weSizwe tomorrow, I'll still remain a member of this organization because I did not join President Jacob Zuma. I joined the cause which is Umkhonto weSizwe Party. So we suppose ukuthi le politiki esilidlalayo in this sub-region sike side and deal with issues of young people. I want to tell you ukuthi this sub-region it is not being sabotaged by anyone, by abazali bethu esinawo la kulo mkhonto. Sila today in this program. Mangibheka abazali abagcwele la engaziyo ukuthi banabantwana abana 13 years to 30 years baningi kabi la, but abantwana baba ngibaboni. Therefore umntana kabani ofuna ukuyomrecruiter ukuthi ajoyine lento kuyo uhluleka ukurecruiter lo ohlala naye endlini, because the first line of recruiting uqala la endlini urecruit. Mina I'm telling you, if benginomntana ngizama ukurecruit umntana wami bengizomtshela ukuthi ahlale phansi, ngoba niyahluleka ukurecruiter la abeni. Yini le engake ningafuni abeni bangene kuyo nifuna ukufaka abantwana babanye abazali. So therefore, the moment we start recruiting, I believe ukuthi kube sinabo abantwana abayi-50 esithi abantwana bethu baphuma endlini zethu la already, if besikwazi ukurecruiter endlini zethu. Therefore it means Commander Zulu, we still need to go siyofundisa ukuthi maybe se-recruiter kanjani, or sibuyele sonke siyofunda ukuthi ku-recruitwa kanjani, ngoba the moment ufail uku-recruit endlini sekumoshakele, akekho umuntu ozomrecruiter ngaphandle. Instead they'll end up recruiting you to their organizations. Lezi othi wena they are not doing right for this country. When we were coming here today morning, it was disappointing to see young and old people batoyitoya bavala isleni bachitha udoti and all those things. It's disappointing and you can blame them, but in some sense I understand Eastern Sub. There is no way ukuthi government wethu asanginayo imali yokunibhadala mara uyakwazi ukuyolanda abanye esayidini asozani zosebenza lo msebenzi bekumele usebenze yilapho uyobabhadala ngani ngoba la uthi akanayo imali yokubabhadala. Those are the issues we should be addressing as the community. Siyekeni kwathina as ama-members omkhonto ukuthi instead okuya ngaphandle so address ama-issues sikapane ngokwethu phakathi. Ngoba what I've seen, I'm sorry to say this in public because I know ukuthi we are in a public space, but asiyekeni ukukapana phakathi because umphakathi uyayibona lento esiyenzayo. Umphakathi uyabona ukuthi thina ngokwethu as ama-members omkhonto we don't love each other. So how are they going to get in that train? Because I won't lie to you, this is the last train of a revolution ezokwazi ukushintsha impilo yomuntu omnyama. Baze bamixta ichance ongena kule train, there'll never be any other train. Bayekeni bawavuleni lamaphathi amancane, but there won't be any other train ezoliberate umuntu omnyama other than umkhonto wesizwe. So asizilungiseni leaders, sameni sohlala phansi sike sizibheke umuntu akhahlale phansi. Nesipili ngiyazi nalama odropa neyipilo ekhulu ihlale lapho uzibheke ukuthi mara le mpilo engiyiphiloyo kumkhonto wesizwe yiyo le engiyifunayo na. Ukhuhlala uyi-one uqoqe nawe uzibone lapho esipilini uziphendule. Hopefully you will be able to come from that as a change person oze kule organization because angafuni ukubenefita into thizeni, but to pave the way for abantwana bakhe nabantwana bakule community esikuyo. We cannot be suffering. This is a path that is supposed to be saving young people. Mara mawungayibheka it's not maintained. Friends ayisekho. Meaning they don't care. They build at that particular time ngoba babhekile ukuthi bazohuba. Ipolitiki lokhuba ngeke lisise ndawo ma leaders. Let us be united. Let us push i-mandate one, which is the mandate yomkhonto wesizwe. Mandate yomkhonto wesizwe is simple. It's umuntu phambili. Umuntu omnyama phambili. In whatever you do, think of umakhelwane wakho ukuthi mina mangithatha lesinkwa ngoba ngithi ngisithenga izolo namhlanje ngeke ngisidle ngisifake edustbin. Umakhelwane wami udlile na. That's umkhonto wesizwe for you. Leadership of this ward so ukuthi there are teams in this ward and they felt ukuthi if we can boost them ngama-jazz then lama team might go somewhere. We might be raising staff from these young boys, but we are not seeing that because we are not interested in that. As leaders, we need to make sure ukuthi ama-captains nama-coaches of teams in our communities are members of umkhonto wesizwe because that's where our vote is. A team and abantu abayi-25, if we are able to capture that team into being members of umkhonto wesizwe, do you think awunama vote out 25? Because we already have 25 votes. Bazabuyela nasemakhaya bayoconvince abazali babo ukuthi thina sikule nto abathi umkhonto and basenzele into ezikahle. Labo abazali bazonivotela. Thina asikho in front of our community issues. Instead we are in WhatsApp groups sithukana senza zonke lezi, which is wrong. I was not supposed to address something like this today, but with the status quo for politics and izinto ezenzakalayo within the politics of South Africa, it is disappointing, and therefore there is no way ukuthi singahlala singayi-address. And nina engibuya nani la ekhaya, it is our duties ukuthi simkhuze. We understand ukuthi ipolitiki alilingani lalifani. So ngicela ukuthi ipolitiki ekumele sigijime ngalo manje kube yilelo mkhonto wesizwe. Simple as that. Asingathi nina mase banithathela ama position bese nifuna ba personal. Whereas maninikezwa lama position were not personal. We cannot have that. Commanders, ngasi ngizoyikhatha la ngoba Commanders, manje sesikule sikhathi sebhola. Ngicela ama team angakahambi manje. We are going to have a top 4 tournament. What's going to happen is we are going to have ama team azodlala mayekhala 30 minutes. After bona, there will be a second team ezodlala 30 minutes. Then you go straight to the final. Each team is a winner. There is a trophy. There is a prize for one. So a winner takes all. Ime kanjani. So, Buffett, this is a fair game. Ngicela singalimazani. Angisho sizele ukuzodlala igame emnandi. Asingaphumi la abanye sebalimele ngoba sibona ukuthi ngathi sekunzinyana lapha eground. Asidlaleni kahle kuze nakusasa sikhona ukubizana sophinde sidlale kahle. Yangithola. So what I can say is good luck to each team ezowina. Sila sonke sizobukela. Ngekho ozophuma sorojiwe so besikhona naso referee somkhuza mangayenzi zona. So good luck to all the teams. I think because of isikhathi aseni straight to groundini and then sobona usisota kanjani masifika lapha the first 2 teams azodlala and then we'll be able to toss the other ones. Amandla!